Dear Cheri, I have a question. I did not grow up smoking weed, but now I'm 58 years old and have arthritis and severe nerve damage in my body. My doctor recommended me getting a medical marijuana card, which I did. I do not like smoking anything, but I do follow you and have taken your courses on edibles. My question is, why does it take 4 to 5 hours for me to feel any effects from them? I've even bought edibles and I have the same issue, so I know it's not an error in my cooking. The other day I used some of the oil that I made and it took 4 hours for me to feel anything. Could this just be how my body metabolizes food? Well, that's a great question. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, why is it taking you so long to feel the effects of your edibles? Well, you're right. To some degree, that's just the nature of the beast. It does take longer for people to feel the effects of edible cannabis than you do by smoking or vaping it. That said, it usually doesn't take 4 hours. Usually it takes about 2 hours or so before you feel the effects. So it could be that your metabolism is slower than most. But at least if you're consistent with this, you know that's how your body reacts. You can schedule and plan accordingly. Is there anything you can do to speed up the effects? Yes, a couple things. Try consuming your edibles on an empty stomach. That will usually make the effects come on faster and also stronger, I find. If I eat on edibles on an empty stomach, I feel them more than if I had had food before. A lot of people report that if you take edibles with something caffeinated, like some coffee or tea, that will also bring on the effects quicker. So you might want to try that. Lastly, for the quickest effects from oral ingestion, you may want to forego edibles altogether and instead just use a tincture sublingually. That means you're going to place a few drops of it under your tongue. Now, the effects of that do not come on as fast as smoking, but they do come on a lot faster than edibles. So it's somewhere in the middle there, and really in about 15 minutes or so, usually you'll feel the effects of a sublingual tincture. So you may want to try that. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.